Hey you guys, if you would like to see how I went from this simple blowout to this super cute heatless wand curls by like using bantu knots, then keep watching and I'm gonna show you how I lay my edges too. Okay, to start off, the first thing that I'm going to do is split my hair down the middle and then pin up that side and then split the other side in half. And that is the size of my sections. My part isn't that straight, but it's okay. Since we're going for the heatless wand curl look, you do want to make sure that all your sections are thoroughly detangled. And then I'm going to take my serum, my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum and just thoroughly saturate that onto this section because I do want it to look, my hair to look silky, and that really does add that silkiness to it. And then I'm just going to brush it through with that. Okay, so for the actual bantu knot, I'm just going to start twisting my hair, and then once I feel like it's twisted enough, I'm going to start twisting my hair around itself. And every time I do, I make sure to like each layer to be under the last layer, if that makes sense. I'm going to try to have a better visual, but then after that I'm just going to put a just a ponytail holder on my hair to hold it in place. And now for the next bantu knot, I'm just going to do the exact same thing I did with the other one. So start off by detangling, I can never say this word, detangling it, and then putting the serum all over that section to just give my hair that silky look. And then detangle it one more time to evenly distribute the serum all the way through. And you guys, this is definitely a better visual of me creating the bantu knot. So like I said, you just basically want to wrap the hair underneath itself. Like that's the best way I can explain it. And just try not to do it too tight. Then after that, just make sure to apply your ponytail holder or your bobby pin. A bobby pin may be easier.
Okay, so basically, I just want to sleep in a bonnet, and in the morning, we'll see how this comes out, because I've never done this before, so we'll see.
Okay, you guys, so it's the next morning, and the first thing I do is take my serum that you have all seen before, and start to take down my bantu knot. So I take the ponytail holder off, and then simply unravel my hair in the opposite direction that I put it in. So after all of them have been taken down, I put some more serum on my hair. And as you can see, I saw this separated one by one. But finally, I was just like, it'll just make more sense to just finger comb it out. So that's basically what I did to all of them. Just finger combed it out. So I didn't like the middle part with this style. I thought a side part would be much cuter, which is basically what you see me doing now. I just took my rat tail comb and just parted it. And now I'm just trying to, I guess, blend that section together so it looks like that's how I wanted it to look from the get, you know? But yeah. After I get the front kind of blended and looking how I want, I start to try to get rid of that part, which actually took me forever, but yeah. get in the back looking how I want, I'm going to go to my edges. Now this is not Eco Styler gel. It's actually the Softy Black Protein Gel. If you haven't watched my mini natural hair product haul, if it's up already, I have it linked up above and down below. But since the jar is so big, I just put it in this small Eco Styler jar, and I'm just doing my edges per usual. Like, y'all know how I do. And I do have a more in-depth tutorial. That little dance. I do have a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my edges already on my channel. It's my sleek high bun tutorial, but this is kind of like a mini visual tutorial, you know, if you like that. I don't know. So this style is just a lot of playing with your hair to really get it how you want it to look, since it is so simple. But if y'all hear noise in the background, I'm sorry. Our lawn is getting mowed, or the grass is getting cut basically. But I just put some of this oil sheen on my hair. It's coconut oil sheen, and you know, just to add some shine, since my hair is brown. Lighter color hair do tend to you know, get dry looking, but since it is, you know, I put little curls in it, I wanted it to have a little shine. But if you have like actual hairspray, that'll work good, because that'll really hold your curls in place as well. Per usual, y'all do know I like to add a little bit of gel to my baby hairs to keep them in place. And now it's all about last minute touches. So I'm going to take some more serum and rub that, you know, on the top of my hair to eliminate some frizz, because it is an anti-frizz serum. And then I'm going to lift up the back of my hair and spray some more hairspray on it. Like I've been saying for a little while, this whole style is really important just for you to simply play in your hair. So right now I'm giving you a 360 on like how my hair looks before I go and you know, put my jewelry on and get fine for y'all. And I just had to come back in and tell y'all that I love my hair color. That hair color is popping, ain't it? Comment down below if you like it. And I will also have the video of me getting my hair dyed down below in the description box. And after applying my little jewelry or whatever, this is the final result. I did add a pin to the side to, you know, pin at the side, because I personally thought that looked better. But yeah, that's basically my video. I really do hope you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm definitely going to see you in my next one. Bye.